Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday, the 6th of February. It's nearly half 10 Central European. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you can get notifications when we do our next video. So if it was the 28th of February today and we were printing, this wouldn't be good because we'd be bearish on the monthly whip trend with bearish divergence. So price is making a higher, the indicator is making a lower higher, a lower high, and yeah, it wouldn't be good in relation to that. However, we do still have some strength. We're far enough from the zero line here for some further pushes up. So we need some real excitement to enter the market because at the moment we're a bit leggy. Liking kind of what I'm seeing over here. I'll go over it in a minute. So yes, on the weekly, we are bearish on the weekly. If we were to print right now, we've got this like morning doji. Um, um, mm, yeah, if we were to print right now, this could be quite a nice little reversal candle, and we've still got strength on the monthly, the 3 month, and the weekly. It's still above the zero line. However, we are trending pullback at the moment. So we just have to be patient. At the moment, we've had this huge push on the daily. So bearing in mind the monthly and the weekly are still in on the bullish side of things, this could be a nice little fake out for the liquidity run and then an absolute smash and grab. And yeah, we could reverse from here. But it's got a lot of work to do to pull this weekly around. That's the only thing. So unless we get something like, when we've turned and then we do a V reversal, so we kind of need a V reversal from here. Otherwise, it could be another few weeks of finding a level, finding the support, and then going again. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day are bearish. The 1 day is just about flicking into a buy here. So this could mean we could look at potential buys on the lower time frames because on the daily, we're a bit too far away from the zero for me. The 4 hour, we are at the 1 hour is a buy, the 4 hour is just about a buy. The 8 hour and daily are still in territory where they could have another push. We could have another push down here. I do like the way we kind of retested. We came and tested the 3 trillion market cap more or less to the dollar now. Um, so yeah, at the moment, this is what I'm kind of liking here as well. I did mention this the other day. We had a situation. Let's see if I can move this over when I'm drawing. Yeah, okay. So we did have a situation. So you can see the daily is running through here. Had a bit of a bounce and then came back down. So the daily's kind of running through here. Now, what we have with the 4 hour came below the daily, tested the daily, and then rolled over. We're all protected all the way along here with the 14 EMAs. But what I liked over here is we got up here, pulled, and set off again. So it's like, okay, yeah. So we need a bit more of, if this is going to pull the daily around like this, we needed another pull and a retesting and go. So we kind of started having that around here, and I started getting excited, saying, like, listen, guys, this could be a moment when we have another push. And then we rolled over again. But then we've done this, haven't we? So now it's the 8 hour that's kind of supporting. And if we keep up this little bit of momentum here, then the daily will start pulling around, which will mean then we'll have this kind of situation, which we're having at the moment. So the daily's printing into a buy at the moment. And then potentially tomorrow and going into weekend, we could see potentially some decent moves. Um, so yeah, monthly is technically still a buy. Weekly is technically still a buy on relative price, but it's a sell on whip trend. And then over here we're trending bearish, so I expect some more shenanigans here. The weekly has rolled over quite aggressive. The monthly moving average, the 30-day moving average, has rolled over quite aggressively here. So unless we really go for it, let's have a quick look at that. Um, yeah, so we kind of rolled over here aggressive as well, didn't we? But not as strong as that. Where else? Yeah, this kind of move here. So we always want to kind of have another attack on those lows, don't we? And then we started rolling up, and then we had that push. So this is what we could end up with. It could be a longer game. So yeah, guys, just trade safe, keep safe. Bit of a longer one this than we normally do for the crypto market cap. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. We're just getting above the 14s and then the percentile bands median. So we're getting above the 14s here. If we really start pushing from here, it could be a nice lead into maybe weekend. Um, okay, guys, yeah, keep safe, trade safe. See you in the next one, which is the blue chips. I'll do that now.